everybody, now we're going to talk about this adorable pack that's coming up, and Echo. Okay, it's all about Echo. I mean, I love the world. There's 3 parts, 15 lots you can, design and check out. And I love these dumb things that you can get items out of it, and you can create things. First, you can recycle. You can either recycle it by that blue machine there, and then you can create things in that red machine over there. And you can just have anything in your inventory. Anything you got in your inventory, you can just take it out and recycle it and make new things. It's so cool. Here she is using this red machine, and she's making a carpet, which I adore. And there are so many different items that you can choose from, and they're basically furniture that you can use. And here are examples. I mean, they're just so adorable. I mean, I love the cupboard and the beds, and these are like different colors of them they have shown us, which I really thought it's so adorable. Okay, it's like you have to first search for the ingredients and put them together, and then you get these kind of colors. And I also love the candles. I mean, they're adorable, all those different choices, and how it melts, and you can use them also for instead of electricity. And this thing for juices, you can make like squeezy things. Awesome. And this here, you can collect water. Instead of paying bills for water, you can have this and you can collect water. I really love these little farm insects. I mean, they have different 3 kinds. I love them. And here I really adored these things here, like instead of power. Okay. Also, these bikes you can get. You don't need a university pack. They have it in this pack. Okay. And I thought the TVs are just so adorable. These tiny, tiny TVs. And here, these planting, I guess it plants it themselves. Like it waters itself. Okay. And, they got like new little pots that you can put your plants on. It was so adorable. And here, when we go to the world, I loved the world, actually. It's wonderful. And this place where when you make a lot of different kind of votes, it changes. You can like vote for this place. You can have like a community lot get together and have like a couple choices that you can choose. You got to check it out. I'll leave a link below. You can go to the place where he explains the whole thing. And I really love this train station. I mean, I really wish it could work, really, but I don't think so. It's like a place you can go visit, I guess. And here are just some pictures of the world. That's apartment places, which it's adorable. When you do good to your world, it changes. This apartment changes. Okay, it's really nice that these are like little tiny apartments there, as this one, that you can start your new life if you like to have one. Okay, really adorable. And here are the places where they vote. There's like different places in your worlds. Each little section in the world, there's like, you got these. And also now they have a different change now for the roofs. You can use these tiles and stuff like that it affects, it helps your world become much better. And here they have these new updates, which is the billing update. That in this billing update, okay, you can power a lot. We know where you're spending most of your money, the water, and also if you can always gain like the money that you don't use and stuff like that, you can actually sell. Okay, it's something we just have to look into when we get the pack. It's adorable. This is a new update, and it's for free for everybody. They're gonna update it, and we can all get this. So I really thought it was adorable. Okay, and then we're gonna go to this thing that I really adored. Also, it's a new update for it, and it's your inventory. Now they organized it. It's much, much better where it's in sections. You can look through all your inventory, or you can have it in sections. It's like either your frogs or your eggs or your seeds or maybe just your food. It's like you have sections that you can organize your things instead of looking through one by one. Also in selling them, it's much easier now. That was so adorable. I really thank you guys, EA and the Sims creators. Thank you for this addition, and it's an update. It's for free. This is adorable. I really loved it. And also something else I really adored, now they have this also update for free, that when you put like special kind of tiles and or wood or something on the floor, some of them they affect either you can get a fire more easier, and some of the tiles like you don't. Okay, you just have to check them out. Okay, so I really thought this was just so nice and interesting. As you see here, there is a fire that started. You can just like start a fire. Okay, the floor, the floor gets on fire. And something nice too, another update, we're gonna get our firefighters with these red suits on. This is also coming back with an update. So I really thought it was adorable. Okay, and of course, if you don't want that effect, you like to use any kind of tiles, okay, on your floor, and you don't want that fire problem, you can here, check it or not check it here in the settings in the game. Okay, in the game settings, you can just, choose what you like, if you want that effect or you don't. Okay, so I really adore that, and now I am going to show you the trailer, and then later on, keep in touch, keep in the end of the video, I'm going to explain why do I think we might be getting a pack. Hopefully this year. I'm not for sure. I don't know. But we might get a pack about farming. Okay? Just...
It's loud enough. I feel it telling us to take a lead. Go after everything. Let's move ahead. Do all the things we said. Create love. Plant a seed and watch it grow. Believe in your fire.
My eco-footprint. Solar panels, wind turbines, a few more updates, and I'm off the grid. Feels better already. Now the hard part, getting my neighbors to want a cleaner, more sustainable city too. Fortunately, my buddy Knox is a real advocate for the eco-lifestyle. Rude flex, I know, but great work pushing neighborhood action plans, like a water shutoff day. He's a little hard on you if you don't participate, though. Sorry, Diane. Knox is campaigning to change this barren lot into a community garden. He's got big dreams of growing sustainable food, like vertical gardens that take less space to grow more, or harvesting insects for a crunchy alternative to meat. But it's not up to him. It's up to the people. And it looks like they voted for a community makerspace. He'll get over it. A makerspace is great. We don't have to throw away everything just because we don't want it anymore. Upcycle it. I love me some homegrown, ultra-organic, fresh farm-to-table fizzy juice. And these hand-dipped artisan candles are selling faster than they burn. All these makers have gotten the attention of the local entrepreneur, Bess. She's asking others to invest in her next big venture. Bess works from home as a civil designer. She invents products that help move the world toward a brighter future. She recycles found objects for parts and then uses this awesome fabricator to make them. This thing is fire! I gotta try it! Maybe I'll leave that part to Bess. Her inventions are going to make this community a beacon of sustainability. Big changes can start small. With just a little effort, you can impact your world too.
And now we're going to come to why do I think we might get a farm pack. Well, in the early age, when Sims 4 trailer, the first trailer came out, they had a nice trailer. And these are just some of the pictures that I took screen touch of. And we do have a Rocket now. As you see, he does wear this suit. And this picture also. We do have restaurants now, as you know. We have a restaurant pack in Sims 4. And here too. There's like 2 pictures of that. And also, I saw this, in which we have a laundry pack. I was like really shocked. I just saw this a couple days. And a pets pack. There's a dog. And here, it's like it's apartment. It's like where you can have apartments. And here's a city pack. I mean, it's like it's been shown in the beginning. And here they're in a car. So hopefully, we do have cars, but we can't use them. Hopefully, we might. Cafe, as you see. And something else I really was amazed how the bulb, it showed, it grouped everybody like from different place and they all got together. Just like Sims 4, how you can go to all these different worlds and we have basketball. And here I think is like the echo. Like we have the echo now that's coming up. If you just look at the face and the stuff. Finally, I saw these pictures and it looks like a farm. There's donkeys, there's a llama. I mean, it really looks like a farm, you guys. I was so happy. There's 2 pictures about this. I mean, come on. What do you guys think? Tell me below.